Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Fall Canyon daily requests. So you can find the Whale Canyon daily requests here, and then there are a bunch. You can just do it because you're collecting resources anyways. So I have collected more than 5 sea grapes, and I think you get like more XPs for your hobby. I'm not sure actually. I don't know what the Explorer certificate is for yet. Okay. And then now I just need to collect 12 glass words now, if I can count correctly. But you can also get these rewards. So once you've reached level 2, you'll get these. I think you'll get it anyways by cleaning up the parts of the ocean, but there are more rewards to obtain, as you can see here, until these are Moonlight Crystals that you can obtain, guys. Some wishing stars as well, some hobby upgrade tickets, but for the event only. So yeah, that is it. How many levels are there? Okay, it goes up to 30. So basically, if you do this every single day, there's a bigger chance you'll get a lot of Moonlight Crystals. So I think this is where a majority of it comes from. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!